Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, today I like to talk about why do we need education. Have you ever wondered why we go to school and why do we spend so many years learning? Some people say education is just about getting a job. Others think it is about becoming a better person. But the truth is, education is important for many reasons. Today, let's explore why we need education and how it shapes our lives. First, education helps us understand the world. Imagine if no one ever taught you how to read or count. Life would be very difficult. With education, we learn about science, history, and different cultures. We understand how things work, from the star in the sky to the tiny cells in our bodies. Education gives us the knowledge to ask questions and find answers. And second, education helps us solve problems. In school, we learn to think critically. This means we don't just accept information, but we ask why and how. This skill is useful in everyday life. For example, if your bike is broken, you need to figure out what is wrong and how to fix it. The same is true for bigger problems like climate change or disease. Education teaches us how to find solutions. And the third, education prepares us for the future. Many jobs today need special skills. A doctor needs to know medicine, a teacher needs to know how to explain ideas, and an engineer needs to know how to build things. Without education, it will be hard to find work. But more than that, education teaches us how to learn. The world is always changing, and we need to keep learning new things to succeed. And the third, education helps us to communicate. Have you ever had a good idea but didn't know how to explain it? Education teaches us how to speak, how to read, write, and how to listen. It is important for making friends, working in teams, and sharing ideas. Good communication helps people understand each other and work together. And the fifth, education makes life more interesting. Imagine a world where no one knew about music, art, or stories. Education introduces us to books, films, and different ways of thinking. It helps us enjoy life in new ways. We can learn a new language, play an instrument, or understand the meaning behind a painting. Education makes the world richer and more exciting. And finally, education helps us make better choices. It teaches us about health, safety, and how to be a good person. When we learn about history, we understand mistakes from the past and try not to repeat them. When we learn about science, we can make better decisions about our planet. And education gives us the power to make good choices for ourselves and for the world. So why do we need education? Because it helps us understand, solve problems, prepare for the future, to communicate, enjoy life, and make good choices. Of course, education is not just about school. It is a journey that lasts a lifetime. And the more we learn, the more we grow. Okay, I think enough. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.